Hey guys, welcome back. So I know मैंने बहुत टाइम लगा. Okay, I'm checking my online class because मेरी online class चल रही है and I don't want कि ये आवाज़ वहाँ चली जाए because then I'll be dead. So yeah, welcome back to my channel and I know बहुत टाइम हो गया. I almost wanted to quit on YouTube but I did not because I kept getting your comments on certain videos and one video I think it got up to 7,000 views or 8,000 I guess. So like to you guys, but yeah, I was about to quit but then मेरा मन नहीं माना, so here I am back on the channel. I know अब इसको grow होने में बहुत time लगेगा but it's fine. I love this work so I'll do it. And so this video is about the new small business that I started recently and it is also the reason why I was about to quit on YouTube because it was already a lot of work. And yeah, this video is about my small business. My business is about cosmetics and handmade soaps and products like that, like soaps, lip glosses will come very soon, lip tints, lip scrubs and lip balms, things like that. And if you are interested then please check out my small business on Instagram and the link will be in the description and please go check it out. And I know it's a long intro but इतना टाइम बाद आया अब इतना तो चलेगा. Okay, so this video is like a behind the scenes on Potions, my small business, and I hope you guys enjoy it. So let's start with it. And I would like you guys to know that all these utensils were completely sanitized and I was always wearing a mask, a pair of gloves and a shower cap so that none of the contamination could go into the products. We added other oils into the lip balm along with fragrances and color. These lip balms are rich with the goodness of oils like olive oil, vitamin E oil, or what do you call it, vitamin, and coconut oil and things like that are really good for your lips, and they would completely heal all your chapped lips and make them so soft and so smooth. We made our lip balms in 4 different variants, that is lavender cheesecake, death by chocolate, tiramisu and blood orange sorbet, among which lavender cheesecake was our best seller in the past 1 month and people loved it and they adored it, and I'm so happy that they did. So lip scrubs aren't considered important by a lot of people, and oh my god, you couldn't be any more wrong. I really can't stress enough on the number of benefits that a good scrub can do to you. And honestly, scrubbing your lips properly twice or thrice a week could do wonders for your lips. We made our scrubs with 100% natural ingredients like sugar and honey, mixed in with a blend of oils that are really good for your lips. So these scrubs scrub the dead skin cells off your skin along with moisturizing them in the process. And oh my god, you guys, just look at the color, it's so pretty. These are currently available in 2 variants, namely citrine, that is citrus, and jasper, that is coffee. And in the past month people loved coffee and they really adored the smell of coffee. We'd love to launch more flavors in the lip scrub, so please, if you have any suggestions, please give them in the description box. We would love to do something on them. No matter what, the star of the show was the lip tints. Like every single person, they just loved lip tints, they loved using it, they loved the colors, they loved the formulation. I mean, I did not even realize while making these lip tints that they would be such a rage with my customer. And I'm just so happy. I'm really happy that something that I made by my own hands is so loved by so many people. So now I'm going to show you the making of the one shade that was the most popular, that is shade 01 Bloody Mary. This lip tint contains the benefits of all the good things like aloe vera gel, rose water, oils, glycerin, or everything that is good for your lips as well as your skin. And you can apply it on your bare skin as well without any tension. All the ingredients in this lip tint are going to be so good for your skin and they are going to make your skin so healthy and so nice. And just to show you what the formulation is like,
I'll be using the lip tint in the variant Sidecar, and as you can see here, it is very smooth, it blends in so beautifully and it gives off such a beautiful flushed color on the skin. Now if you are interested in checking out my Instagram store, or if you are interested in any of these products, then the link of my Instagram store is down in the description box.
then please like, share and subscribe, and please मुझे और comments में बताओ, would you want to see more such videos, because it is a lot of work for me, and I know I shouldn't complain that it's a lot of work because a lot of people are doing it and are killing it, but yeah, I really want to know if you appreciate these videos and if you want to see more videos, because I would love to make more such videos. And thank you so much guys, and yeah, if you have any suggestions, please leave them in the comments and I will be sure to read all of them and reply to all of them. Yeah, thank you.